How to add testimonial slider to Shopify. So for this, we'll use the search bar here and we'll search for Reputon slider and search for Reputon slider in the Shopify App Store. Now I'll show you how we can set this up as well. So we want to get this one, Reputon testimonials slider. So just click on it and then install it onto our website. So I'll take you through the UI as well. So first we have to install it here and grant it access to this data. And it's going to begin setting up automatically. Now there are a few ways of how you can set this up. So for example, you can ask your customers to scan this QR code and it will import reviews. Another thing we can do right here is actually click on add content, or I have already created this one, so I'm just going to delete it and I'm going to click on add content. And here we can title the testimonials. So it's going to generate 5 testimonials, or 4 actually, and we can change those. So we have to go through every single one and click on the 3 dots and click on edit. So first we can change the author name. I'm going to change it to my YouTube channel name. Then we can change the testimonial or the review text itself. So I'm going to do great product. And then we can also add a social profile URL. We can do a caption and we can add the person's image right here. If we click on upload image, then we can select an image from our computer. If we don't want to add an image, then we'll just simply click on clear. And then we have the company logo here as well. We can also remove the company logo. And basically the rating is itself. So for example, 5 stars, 4 stars, so on and so forth. And after you customize this to your liking, you will just click on done. And now, as you can see, we have my review and we have to repeat the same process for the other reviews as well. So after you have repeated this and customized your reviews to your liking, we'll just click on save here. And it's going to tell us that we have to add the widget to our storefront. So the next step is clicking on add widget here. And it's going to automatically take us to the Shopify website editor. So from here, we want to click on add section in the header, and then we will go to apps. And as you can see, right now we have testimonial slider, carousel reviews, grid reviews, rotator reviews, and slider reviews. We want to get this last option. So just click on it. And now, as you can see, this has appeared onto our website. So if I click on apps here, the drop down menu, then we can edit this, and now it works perfectly, and we can change some other settings here. But basically, as you can see, all of these example reviews that we have right here will appear. So that's how you do it. That's how you add slider reviews onto your Shopify store. I hope this helps you out, and I'll see you next time.